Alisha and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because we are going on a tour and my sister-in-law and her family are coming tomorrow. So we will be going to Langkawi and Phi Island. So if you want to see those videos and join me on a trip, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the next video. So we'll see you in Langkawi. Hello. We reached around 10:30 AM in the morning at Langkawi and the airport was nearby the resort. It took around 15 to 20 minutes to reach there. And Langkawi has an international airport, so we got direct flight from KL. This is the family room. It's very simple and cute. It has total 8 beds and 2 rooms. This can be good if you are with your family or in group. Eagle Square is one of the most popular attractions in Langkawi. You can enjoy ferries and boats floating around. Second day in Langkawi. Today we are going to Mangrove maybe and Sky Breeze, Safari and many more places. Yesterday we came and just slept for good 2 hours, but I could not share much videos because we were so tired. But today we are going to explore many places, so stay tuned. Right now we are going for the Kilim Geo Park and Mangrove boat tour from Kilim Jetty. You can take boat in sharing or private tour. The guide will take you to the various island, fish tour, bat cave, eagle area and many more attractions.
Come on, touch it.
Langkawi Adventure Tour. It's in Malacca. We will stop by villages and waterfall. This ride was really risky. You need a good control. I suggest you do practice before you go for the ride. But thank God I had a good partner with me who did only few mistakes, and the ride was very entertaining. You can either take this car style ATV or the bike which we took. This waterfall was the final destination, but unfortunately no water in the fall. Hi guys, this is our last day in Langkawi. Today only we came to see beach and then we'll go back. Because Kuhu was not well, so we could not cover the sky breeze, but we enjoyed the trip. I'll see you in my next Phi Phi Island vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye. Take care.